take the wheel. You're off on an adventure through the rainforests of the world to spot some of the animals that call the rainforest their home. Be sure to press the button in your car that matches the creature when you see it. Here we go! First up is the toucan with its really large yellow beak. Did you press that button? We have to be really quiet so as not to disturb that beautiful panther. Let's go. Look at that beautiful baby elephant. Don't be afraid. The snake you see is actually very friendly and won't harm you. The creature here is an orangutan. Quickly, press the button. I hear thunder. Let's take shelter in that hut. Oh no! Look at the cheeky monkeys that have raided our camp.